Let's get straight to it. Today I'm working on a 2010 Ford Escape. Today I'm changing the instrument gauge cluster. This is the new part that we have to go on, and we need to get this one out. Go ahead and disconnect the negative battery terminal. It's an 8mm. First piece I'm going to remove is this piece right here. I'm going to use a flathead and get right underneath here and pry that up. Just like that. And now I can remove it. Once that's up, this whole piece here pulls forward. So I'm going to go ahead and pull on this until it pops up loose. Just like that. And once it pops loose, continue to pull this part out, and same thing on this side, pull that out. There's a harness on the left side that needs to be removed. Just push this tab here and pull. On the right side, there's an air hose and a harness. To get the hose off, there's a clip right here. You press that clip and then you pull the hose off, and that should get the hose off of there. All right, so I didn't have to disconnect the harness, and there's two hooks on both sides, but after pressing this side in alone, I was able to get it out. But just so you know that there's two, so if you press them both, then you have an easier time getting that out. Now I can just pick this up and remove it, and I can clearly see my whole cluster. There are 4 7mm bolts holding this in. Let's go ahead and remove those bolts. Once those bolts are removed, this loosens up, and there's a tab behind this harness. You press that tab and you can work this harness out. And now it's completely freed up. All right, now we take our replacement part, set it up there, and we're gonna connect it. All right, now we set it in place where the screws go. All right, now we'll put our 4 screws in. Once it's nice and secure, then we grab our panel, slide it back in place. Now we can reconnect our harness right here. And then on this side, we can reconnect this piece that we took off here. Just like that. And now we can set our panel back in to the clips. Let's push the top in until you hear it clip, then push the sides. And once it's in and firm, that's pretty much it. Now for our last panel, it just drops right down in these slots right there. And same thing on the other side. You want to make sure it falls right down in those slots. Press it down until it's nice and even on all sides, and that's it. Let's reconnect our negative battery terminal. And that is how you change your cluster in a 2010 Ford Escape. If you liked the video and you thought it was helpful, be sure to hit the like, subscribe button. Also, if you feel this video saved you some money, don't be afraid to leave a little tip in the Cash App. The more reactions and support that I receive is the more content that I'll make.